Can I ask, Catherine, medical students can go on an elective, can't they? So where did you go on your elective? Does everybody know what an elective period is? And so an elective period is during the course of your training, usually towards the last year or two. You're allowed to choose a placement more or less anywhere in the world. And a lot of these universities have got reciprocal arrangements or connections with other countries in the world, pre-existing ones that make it a little bit easier for you to set it up. So you might go and work. I mean, I did mine in Thailand, so I went to Thailand for 8 weeks between the fourth and fifth year in medical school. So where did you go, Catherine?
Yeah, so I went to Belize in Central America, and we did, I think it was 8 weeks that we went there for, to a really small little rural hospital. And yeah, it was absolutely lovely. There was not a lot of resources there, you know, and people struggled a lot. We would go out in a truck and help with vaccinations, and we would see lots of different parts of the country. The doctors who were in charge actually organised a tour of the country for us without us realising as well. So as well as helping us to think about medicine in a different way, and realising that everything's not as it is here, and what you have to prioritise. You know, they only had one vial of painkillers that they could use, and they had to keep that in case something terrible happened. People were, you know, so that was how they were prioritising things. But then they organised this amazing trip for us as well. So we went and stayed a week in the jungle, and we went to all the different beaches. There was a little island that they took us to. And they really wanted us to enjoy their home, as well as understanding the people, so that we could just bring that home. And I know a couple of my friends have gone back, have worked there for a couple of weeks on a voluntary basis, and that's an amazing experience. And then afterwards we stayed and had a bit of a holiday as well, and you know, but it's brilliant, yeah.